Wow, the Writers Opportunity Workshop. For writers or those who want to be. Come out on Saturday, August 25th, 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you will be able to learn from these four authors on what they were able to do for their book project. Megan Williams will show you how to take that true story and turn it into fiction so that you can protect the innocent. Lucinda Askew will show you how to do character development to keep your readers enticed from beginning to end. Financial consultant Pamela McCoy will show you how to save money for your graphic designer, your website, as well as for your publisher. And me, Veronica Blakely, I will show you how to communicate your project, whether it is at an interview, book signing, or maybe a workshop. Again, you want to come out to the Wow Writers Opportunity Workshop on Saturday, August 25th, 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Seating is limited. Make sure you share this video and click on the link so that you will be able to get your tickets soon. We will see you Saturday, August 25th, 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Thank you.